Oh my God.
Pumunta ang government report ko na
This is too far.
you have to
Hey, let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, hey. Let's try. Let's see. Oh, it's just not a lot. I need to kill myself. Slash kill.
Ito ang sa report ni Treasurer. Can anyone vote for the
No.
approval of the release of the meeting?
Oh.
Alam ko naman sir ay nais na lang
Please. Oh, not yet. No way. No way. Let's go. Let's go. Look how many water bubbles I have.
Ngayon, may vote for the approval of the treasurer's report. Anyone who will vote for the approval of the minutes of the meeting?
Is there any more questions for the report of the treasurer for the approval?
I have some No! Oh my God. You needed to be a president. Come on.
After po sa lahat,
Okay. Oh.
nagpipilitan na ito tayo na nakakahain na parents, yung mom, yung siguro ang plano natin ay magbayad muna tayo ng CPA para makaplano tayo sa mga project. Hindi tayo pwede makapag-plan kung wala tayong pondo. Ayun. Ano pala? May president po ba ng Kinder dito? Kinder. President Kinder.
Come on. Let's go.
Grade 1.
I'm getting Hannah.
Grade 2. Grade 3.
Bye-bye. It's okay for me.
Grade 5.
Come on.
Grade 6. Okay. Lahat po ng officers ng Homegrown PPA ulit na po tayo doon sa SPA FGC office. Kung may problema po tayo, doon po tayo pumunta at pag-usapan po lahat. Yung concern ni sir, sasagutin ko dito po yun. Sa totoo lang, wala po tayong pinagin. No. Pero pagkakataon natin homegrown na kailangan ng teacher, napag-usapan po natin yan. Kaya wag na tayong sabihin sa teacher, baka hindi niya naiintindihan. Hindi ka naman magpapagalat.